Welcome to the first episode of Debug This. The rules are simple. You'll solve 4 programming challenges. The first 3 are multiple choice, but the last one you're going to have to enter in your own response. You'll have 30 seconds for the multiple choice problems and 45 seconds for the final. Do not pause the video. Don't check the comments. Challenge yourself. When you're done, comment your answers and your final score. And remember, be honest. You owe it to yourself. Okay, you ready, Ghost? Let's debug. Okay, so this is the first challenge. What is wrong with this function? It could be A, B, C, or D. Remember, you only have 30 seconds, and that begins in 3, 2, 1. Okay, time's up. So you do have a choice. You could leave your answer to this question right now in the comments, or you could wait until the end and leave all of your answers with your score. So totally up to you. But for right now, let's move on to the second challenge. Okay, on to challenge number 2. What is the problem with this code? So you already know the rules. 30 seconds on a clock. Let's begin in 3, 2, 1. Time's up. How did you do? Leave it in the comments or wait until the end and then leave it in the comments. But for now, let's move on to challenge number 3. Okay, and we're on to challenge number 3. Real quick, if you're enjoying this video so far, make sure to give it a like. If you haven't subscribed already, make sure to subscribe. But let's just continue. Why does this loop never end? You know the rules. 30 seconds on the clock. 3, 2, 1. Begin. Time's up, and now we're moving on to the final challenge. But remember, it will not be a multiple choice. You must enter in the response and fully explain the problem, or the solution, I should say. Let's move on. And here we are, the final challenge. What will this program print and why? Now above, I left a little guideline to help you answer the question. And remember, this time you have 45 seconds, which begins in 3, 2, 1. Time's up. Hopefully that was enough time and you found this challenge challenging. So how did you do? Hopefully it wasn't too bad. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like it. If you haven't subscribed yet, please make sure to subscribe. And remember, leave your answers in the comment below. If you want the answers, I'll leave a pin and you can see the answers there to compare with your response. And other than that, I'll see you in the next video.